Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today chapter number mensuration. Mensuration means here you will find the perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. So that first question, find the perimeter. It means 10.1 is perimeter. So find the perimeter of each of the following figure. So very simple. That is that first part is that what we say here, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So that P is equal to sides are 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus that is 5. So that 4 to 6, 1, 7, 4, 12. 12 that is centimeter answer. And then others you can do that C1, F1, E1. E1 is that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. All sides that is P is equal to that is 1 plus 4 plus 4, 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus that is 2.5 2.5 plus 2.5. So that the sum of these that will be 4 4 8 1 9 10 5 15 centimeter. Similarly you can do and all other also. Second question, that is second question, a lid of a rectangular box length 40 and 10 centimeters sealed all around with tape. What is the length of the tape? So length of tape is equal to length of tape is equal to that is 2 bracket L plus B and then 2 bracket that is a L means 40 and then B means 10. So that is 2 into 50 is equal to 100. That will be centimeter answer. Third question, that a table tape measure 2 meter 25 centimeter, 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of that one? For that perimeter is equal to similar 2 bracket L plus B. That 2 bracket L means 2.25 plus that will be 1.50 and then 2 multiply 3.75 that will be 7.50 meter. 7.50 meter. So that now the fourth question is that what is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth this one. So that length, so what is the length of the wooden strip? So length of wooden strip is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. So that 2 bracket L is that is given that is 32 plus 21. 32 plus 21. So that is 2 into 53. It means 106 that is centimeter answer. Fifth question, that a rectangle piece of land measure this one. Each side to be fence 4 side of wire. So what is the length of wire? So that first we will find the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. So that 2 bracket L is given 7, decimal 7 plus decimal 5. That is 2 into 7 5 12 1.2. It means 24 meter. that is kilometer, km. And then length of wire is equal to 4 side we are doing, so multiply by 4, that is 24, 90, that will be 6 kilometer. 9.6. Find the perimeter of each of the shape 6. A part. So perimeter is equal to sum of all sides, and then 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to, that is 5, 3, 7, 4, 12 centimeter. B part. That equilateral triangle, it means perimeter is equal to, triangle has 3 sides, so again we will write the sum of all side, or you can write the 3 into side, that both are same. So 3 into 9 is equal to, that is 9 3 are 27 centimeter. C part, an isosceles triangle, equal side are this one, and the perimeter is equal to, that is sum of all sides, that equal side is 8 plus 6, that will be 22 centimeter. There is given the equal side. Okay, and then question number, we will see the seventh. Seventh question is that find the perimeter of a triangle with side measuring 10 10. So perimeter is equal to, seventh, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides is equal to, that is 10 plus 14 plus 15 is equal to, that will be 5 4 9, that 3, that is in centimeter. Eighth question, find the perimeter of regular hexagon. So perimeter is equal to 6 multiply side, hexagon means 6 sides, so that 6 into side is given 8, 8 6 ja 48 centimeter. Sorry, meter is there, meter. Ninth question, that find the side of a square whose perimeter is this one. So side is equal to perimeter upon, that is a square, so that will be 4, so that perimeter is 20 upon 4, 4 5 ja 20, so that is 5 centimeter. Sorry, meter is that one also. 10th question, the perimeter of a regular pentagon is this one, so that we need to find the side. So side is equal to perimeter upon 5 will be there, so that perimeter is 100 upon 5, 5 20 ja, that is 20, that is centimeter. 11th question, that perimeter is given there, so that A part, side is equal to, that is perimeter upon, that is a square, so that will be 4, so that 30 upon 4, by the cancel of that one, that will be 5, 7.5, so that is 7.5, and then centimeter. B part, that is side is equal to perimeter upon 3, because triangle is that, so 30 upon 3, 3 10 ja, that is 10 centimeter. C part, that is a regular hexagon, that means 6, so side is equal to perimeter upon 6, so that will be 30 upon 6, 6 5 ja, this is the 5 centimeter. Question number 12. Question number 12, two sides of a triangle 12 and 14, and then perimeter is given there, so third side is equal to, so we know that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides side. So perimeter is given that 36. 36 is equal to, that will be 12 plus 14. 12 plus 14 plus third side. Third side. So that 36 minus that is 26 is equal to third side. So that will be 10. So third side is equal to 10 centimeter. 13th question. Find the cost of fencing of square park side 250. So that first of all we will find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side, 4 square. So that 4 into 250. 250, that will be 100 meter. So that cost is equal to, that is given 20 rupees multiply 1000, that will be rupees 20,000. 14th question is that find the cost of fencing a regular park. Length breadth is this one. So that again perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, and then that will be 2 bracket L is 175 meter plus that is 125 meter. So that 2 into that is 300 is equal to 600 meter. Now the cost is equal to, that will be 12 multiply 600. So 12 7 ja 76, and then 72, and then 0. It means 7,200. And then 15th question is that, 15th question, Sweetie run around the park side 75. So that, and Sweetie perimeter. So we will write here Sweetie perimeter is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side, that will be 4 into, that is a spherical park. So 4 into 75, 300 meter. And then Bulbul run around a regular park length of breadth of this one. So Bulbul, that Bulbul perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. L plus B. So that 2 bracket L is 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45. That is 2 into, that will be 105 is equal to, this is a 5 to 10 or 2 1 2 meter. So who covered less distance? Bulbul. Bulbul cover less distance. Less distance. And then 16th question. Now we will see here. Sixteenth question is that again you are finding the perimeter. Find the perimeter of each of given for this one. So A part, I am doing only A part, that is perimeter is equal to, you can write here sum of all side. That is a easy way, sum of all side. All sides is equal to 25 25 25. That is a 100 centimeter. Similarly you will do the other also. 17th, that what the perimeter of first part. So perimeter of first part is that, perimeter of first part, that is count the boundaries, that will be 6. and then perimeter of second part B, perimeter of second part. Here you will be again count the boundaries, that will be 10, that will be centimeter or meter, etc. thing is given there. You will be write that, obviously that will be centimeter. Okay, now C part, which has greater perimeter, cross, that means this one. And then Avneet wondered if there is way to getting even greater perimeter. Can you find that way of doing this? Yes, we can do this. Okay.